Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we are here checking out the Galaxy A52. This is going to be an unboxing and first impressions. This is the international version because Samsung still hasn't released this in the US. So this might vary by the time we get it to the US, but I wanted to make sure everyone has the ability to not only see my first impressions of it, but make sure to have the ability to set it up with our tips and tricks video, which will save you about 3 to 5 hours of battery life and make your phone so much faster. Now, since this is the international version, I do want to let you know what you're getting inside the box. This is a dual SIM, which is really nice, a GSM phone. So you're going to work this with T-Mobile or AT&T, not so much Verizon. Now, this is going to have some really great features such as 128 gigs of storage, 6 gigs of RAM, and the Snapdragon 720 processor. So good all around. If you just want a really good phone, this is the international version again, so make sure to know what you're getting. All right, let's go ahead and check this out. This is also a 4,500 milliamp battery too, which is really nice for this price point. Now with this, we do get the Infinity O display. That means we're going to have a punch hole inside of it, and we're going to have a 64 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization and IP67 rated. And this one does come with the cord. So you do have the power cord still with this model. And over on this side, you'll have your paperwork and SIM tool ejector. So let's go ahead and take this off. And there we have it. So very nice looking matte black you have. I believe this is the glass stick that Samsung had on the S21, and really looks nice, feels nice. You still have some extra plastic on the side. I always recommend moving those to get your optimum antenna range, and really it just feels nice. Now I do always not like the built-in screen protector, so I'm going to take it off. You can keep this one. It's a very thin one, so it's really not going to offer much protection. Always better to get a glass screen protector anyway. And now you can see it a lot more clearly in how the screen looks. It was very fingerprinty, so I took it right off, but really good in the hand. I think this is a really good screen size, 6.5 inch display. Should look really nice. Definitely a lighter weight phone. You can tell this is an A series instead of an S series by its weight, and more of a flat display as well. So let's go ahead and set this up and let me show you what my first impressions are. Alright guys, so the phone was fully set up, got to transfer everything over using Smart Switch. We'll do a separate video on how to do that, but now that I have everything up and running, I can say this phone is a really solid phone. It really offers a lot in the terms of speed and battery life. I think is really a good start, and I'll talk about that more on the end. And overall, I think the camera is going to be the main thing that separates this from the S series. I think these are good cameras in well-lit areas, but if you are going to darker low light photos and inside low light, I think that's where you're going to definitely notice the difference between the A series and the S series. If the camera is not the most important thing though, I mean, you get speed, you get processing power, you get everything you need. The only time I noticed a little bit of slowdown is when I was downloading all of my apps. But other than that, it's been pretty speedy and I would have no complaints about it. Now, the thing you need to know is this is not as fast as this phone could be. This is not as good at the battery life as this phone can be. So make sure to check out our tips and tricks video, because I'm going to show you how much better the speed, performance, and battery life can be on this phone after we get through with it. I'm going to set that up now, so make sure to subscribe for that video because it's going to be one you need to see if you own this phone. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there, and right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me.
Thanks again.